Join me as I dive into the world of the DJI Neo 2 and see if I can figure out if it's really flipping out. So, what's all the fuss about the DJI Neo 2? This drone has been making waves in the drone community with its impressive features like 4K video recording, 48-megapixel photos, and advanced obstacle avoidance. It's clear that DJI aimed to create a top-of-the-line drone that would revolutionize the industry. But is it really living up to the hype? One issue that's been plaguing users is performance inconsistencies. Some people have reported that the drone's battery life is not as long as advertised, while others have experienced frozen screens and crashes. It's frustrating when you're in the middle of a shoot and your drone just decides to stop working. I've seen some users report that they've had to restart the drone multiple times just to get it to work properly. Technical glitches are another major concern. Some people have reported that the drone's GPS system is wonky, causing it to lose its way mid-flight. Others have experienced issues with the remote controller, where the drone doesn't respond to commands. It's scary to think about your drone flying away and losing control of it. These kinds of issues can be a major safety hazard, and it's not something you want to experience when you're flying a drone. I've also seen some users reporting issues with the drone's overheating. Apparently, the drone can get extremely hot during extended use, which can cause it to malfunction. This is a major concern, especially if you're planning to use the drone for long periods of time. Imagine being on a shoot and having your drone overheat in the middle of it. That would be a nightmare. Despite these issues, some users have reported having great experiences with the DJI Neo 2. They say it's one of the most stable and responsive drones they've ever flown. They love the high-quality video and photos it produces, and they appreciate the advanced features like tracking mode and hyperlapse. It's clear that DJI has put a lot of thought into designing this drone, and it's paid off for some users. But what do the experts think? I've spoken to some drone experts who say that the DJI Neo 2 is a great drone, but it's not without its flaws. They agree that the performance inconsistencies and technical glitches are a major concern, but they also think that DJI can fix these issues with a simple software update. They praise the drone's advanced features and high-quality video and photos. When you compare the DJI Neo 2 to other drones on the market, it's clear that it's one of the most advanced drones out there. It has features that other drones can only dream of, and it's clear that DJI has pushed the boundaries of what's possible with drone technology. But, is it worth the investment? That's the million-dollar question. Here's the thing, I've discovered something that might change everything. It turns out that the DJI Neo 2 has a secret feature that no one knows about. It's a feature that can completely flip the script on how we think about this drone. I'm not going to give it away just yet, but trust me when I say that it's a game changer. This feature has the potential to make the DJI Neo 2 one of the most powerful drones on the market. It's a feature that could make all the performance inconsistencies and technical glitches worth it. But, it's not without its risks. If used incorrectly, it could cause serious problems. I'll reveal more about this feature in just a minute. So, what does it all mean? The DJI Neo 2 is a drone that's full of contradictions. On the one hand, it's an amazing piece of technology with features that are unmatched by any other drone. On the other hand, it's plagued by performance inconsistencies and technical glitches. But, with this new feature, it could be a game changer. It's up to you to decide whether the benefits outweigh the risks. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you've had any experiences with the DJI Neo 2, please let me know in the comments below. And if you want to check out another video of mine, I've got a great one on the top 5 drone accessories you need to know about.